Hi, I'm Teresa the Traveler, and today I'm in Costa Rica going on an eco-adventure. Our first stop is a waterfall, so we're just hiking down this rocky little trail to get to it. Wow, this is gorgeous. Oh, Al, what waterfall is this called?
Llanos de Cortés Waterfall.
Okay, so it's part of a provincial park here, or no?
No, it's this Llanos de Cortés is ubicated in Bagaces. That is the county on the waterfalls are.
Okay, and entrance is a donation to the school, is that true?
Yeah, the entrance is a donation for the school, and another days is for the church as well.
Now I'm gonna go for a swim. Woo! Oh, it's beautiful. There's some howler monkeys up there. Aw, he's just laying on the branch. And this one here is a little baby monkey by the looks of it. Looks like the baby's gonna wake up the sleepy monkey. Nope, changed his mind. Now we're visiting a volcano and we're heading up to a waterfall. What's it called?
Miravalles volcano.
Yeah, what he said. And now we're heading to the big waterfall where we can swim in. And we get to go across this cool suspended bridge. Again, the trail is a little rocky, so you definitely want to be wearing decent shoes on this one. Cool, now we get to walk across a suspension bridge. Ooh, it's kind of bouncy. And below the bridge, we have a really cool waterfall. Whoa, these are really shaky to walk on, especially if someone else is walking on it, because ooh, it's like little waves created in it. Look how wavy that is. It's like a little carnival ride. And now, we're gonna descend down some steps below the bridge. Wow, look at this. Beautiful pool to swim in. All right, this guy's gonna jump in. That looks scary. Okay, this is gonna scare the crap out of me, but I'm gonna jump into the waterfall. trembling. That was very, very, very scary. And as I gracefully get back onto the platform, shaking. High five. Now we're going to check out a couple more waterfalls, but I do not have to jump into these ones. Wow, look at that. Gorgeous waterfall. The trees here are pretty amazing.
It's a private property. For the reason they can't build nothing permanent here, like stairs or something like that, because it's a private reserve. It's next to the national park, Miravalles National Park.
What's it called again?
Miravalles National Park.
And what's the volcano called?
The same name, Miravalles Volcano.
They've got these ropes on the sides to make the hiking a little bit easier. It's steep here. It doesn't?
No, it does.
Oh, it does, yeah. Couldn't imagine getting up here without them.
No, not at all.
This one is called the Hidden Waterfall. And if you look down here, you'll notice how brown the rocks are. That's the mineral content. Okay, now we're checking out the crater. Look at this. Secondary crater, not the main crater. That is some hot mud. Starting to rain, so better make this quick. Cool, it just comes out of the vent. Wow, it's so humid. It's like walking through a steam bath in here. Oh, that feels good. It cleans out the pores. This is the secondary crater of the volcano. It's located conveniently about 100 meters from where we ate lunch. Oh, this is cool. I wonder if it's sulfur or something. A little yellow rock. Wow, it is super steamy in this area. Oh, I think I'm steaming up my lens. That is some super boily mud. Oh, look, we have some baby birds here. Now, I'm gonna go on a water slide.
Dos.
Tres.
Okay.
Gracias. And this is the slide we'll be going down. Oh, on a tube. Cool. Thanks.
I need to know what it is. Oh no. I think it's going to be very cold. Oh! It's freezing!
It's like Disneyland and all over again.
Back, okay?
Smile to the camera. I just want to see your reaction.
Yeah. This is one of the coolest natural saunas on Earth. Check it out. It's a little cave built over a vent. All right, Catherine, are you ready for your first natural mud bath in volcanic mud?
Yes, ma'am, I am. Well, I say I am. Let's see.
Because that's something you can't get in New Jersey where you're from. Volcanic mud baths.
And what's the detox effect of this?
So apparently it makes you look younger if you put it on your face.
Oh, right. Here we go.
Makes you look 10 years
You
younger.
should have told me that first.
and 20 pounds lighter. With
Okay.
each foot.
So let's try the mud bath foot.
But then you'll want to put your foot up on the ledge after.
Oh, cool. Yeah. I know. All right, now I have very muddy feet. Oh, and they have really nice showers here.
Good handles.
Yeah, they have a good handle that you can hang on to while you're washing your feet. Back in there. You need a shower?
Yeah. Oh, okay. If it's warm, I'll take it.